Hello everyone, thank you for stopping by for day 2 of Wedding Weekend at Quietfire Creations. It's Kathy Jo here again, and I'm here to share wedding projects for the soon-to-be-wed couple. Yesterday, we shared save the date cards and the wedding invite pack. So most of the projects, as I said yesterday, have a very elegant look to it. They all use the beautiful new dies and stamps designed by Suzanne. So all the projects, I stuck with this design, so you'll see a sample of one of these in everything. But then I also created a few of the projects as a chalkboard design and also as a summer floral. So those were the save the date, and if you recall, we have the wedding pocket with the You're Invited and the RSVP. So today it's all about the reception and thanking those people who shared in your celebration of your special day. So first, I thought it would be really cute if the tables where everyone sat at had a little card, eat, drink, and be merry. And on the back, if the menu is posted on it, because a lot of times people are wondering like what's for dinner, and it's a great conversation point for people that are sitting at a table that might not know each other. So it's really cute, really sweet, and also informative. Now, probably one of my favorite things to make were the little favor boxes. The die used to create this was also designed by Suzanne, and this little die is so stinking cute. I love it. I'm so happy that she designed it. I can see this being used a lot. It'd be perfect for party favors, not only for a wedding reception, but also a great little thing to put treats in for work, or if you have a little get together at your house, or like even at Easter if you want to leave like little treats for family or for your kids. And it's easy enough too for kids to put together so that they could also make treat favor boxes for their friends. And in case you're wondering, yes, it is a bigger die. If you have a cuddle bug, it won't fit on the standard plate. But if you have the longer plate, the extended plate, oops, it looks like it'll fit on there. I don't have my cuddle bug handy or with me, so I wasn't able to test that out, but when I did look at it, it does look like it does fit on the plate. So I created a box for each of the themes. So that's the elegant box, the pink with the white and the metallic hearts on it. And of course I wanted the chalkboard theme. And then also the summer floral. So on this one, as you can see, I put a little bow on it just to secure it. The heart's perfect for adding a bow. So those would be great little favor boxes on your table. So after the wedding's done and you've come back from your honeymoon and you're ready to thank those people that so kindly shared in your special day or gave you gifts from afar, then of course it's great to give out the thank you card. So again, a little simple thank you card, the what I call the elegant design. And then I did another one in the summer floral. I just love her calligraphy. It's so pretty. And even though I keep calling that the elegant design, it's just because of the colors that I used and metallics on it. I mean, it's elegant. The thank you is elegant no matter what you put it on. It's just beautiful. So I made these two in these two designs, but if you want to go different, I do have some other thank you cards created. This one is a vintage style. Again, more of the copper metallic on there, and I added a little brooch. Then also the thank you card with another vintage feel to it. This one's more Victorian, I guess, and this would be more of a vintage. This is a rose that Suzanne dyed. That's part of her new release, and it has the metallic rose base. So 4 different styles of thank you cards shown. So we have an Eat, Drink, Be Merry card, menu on the back, cute little trinket boxes, and many examples of the thank you card. Now, if you're looking for more projects using any of these dies, feel free to follow the Quietfire Creations blog, or stop by Elizabeth Craft Designs blog on Saturday. Specifically, Suzanne's dies and stamps are the focal points on those 2 days, and of course they're shown throughout the week too. So don't forget to leave a comment on the blog post, and you will be eligible to win a gift certificate to the Quietfire Design store so that you can buy some of Suzanne's beautiful products for your next crafty project. Thank you for stopping by. I hope you enjoyed this weekend and have a happy crafty day. Bye.